I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is Pinnacle Trading here. So the markets took a big downturn last week due to the Facebook news, the trade war tensions rising up, and also many other factors that went into play, like the Fed rate hike. So before we get into that, I'm going to show you a quick recap of the market. So they've been going down. You see that huge downturn over here. We got that oversold region acting up on the MACD, and the RSI is also oversold. So that's the yearly chart right there. But before we get into analysis of the market, let's go ahead onto my channel. Make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. And we also have the live alerts chat room link over here. You can click that here or the link in the description. Also have our social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure to follow us on there, and the Robinhood referral link is right there. You can join Robinhood. It has 0 commissions trading, and it's also a really easy platform to use on your phone or on the web or tablet. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the markets as a whole. Looking at S&P 500, that's SPY, that's the symbol for that. We see that big downturn over here. And if we zoom in, we had that big correction in February, and it looks like it's not done. So we see that nice recovery over here, hitting that 280 highs, and then it came back down again recently due to the numerous factors that went into play all in 1 week. So we got that huge downturn, a lot of panic selling, a lot of people just selling and getting out of their investments, and stop losses taking out, and a lot of fear and panic in the market. So how can you profit from this? I'll show you in a moment. So let's look at the 180-day chart. This is what I usually look for when we're looking at swing trades or quick market captures. So looking at the MACD, it's slowly curling back up. Today, right here, we did get that nice recovery up to 263.20 area, and then they came back down again. Looks like people were selling, just being safe, but it's coming back up again. It's only about 11:48 a.m. right now, Eastern time, so we still have a lot of time in the market left in the day. So I see, based on my analysis, that it should be hitting that highs again. It did cross that breakout line over here, got the buy alert, so we should be seeing about 262, 263 close today. But we'll have to see if any news comes out, if President Trump talks about anything, and we'll just see how that plays out. So looking at the long term, if you're trying to profit from this drop, it's a great time to add on long-term positions, and if you're taking any quick swing trades of the reversal, then that's good as well. So you want to capture them on the low. Looking at this recent correction that started in February, they hit lows of about 255, 256 area, and looks like they're trying to test that again. And on the yearly chart, we see that 200 SMA line being tested. So if it breaks that support, we could be entering a bear market, and so far it hasn't broke that. Looks like we got that nice bounce and should be recovery from here. That's my analysis, but you should be taking trades based on your analysis and what you feel is correct. If you have stop losses, make sure to keep them a little tight here, and try not to get faked out from the huge up and downs. Have a profit target, have a stop loss, have an entry, exit all set up before you even take the trade. Or if you're in the trade and you're looking to add, make sure to buy in threes. So that's my analysis on the market. We should be seeing a nice bounce off this 200 SMA support, but we'll have to see how it plays out. So I got 3 picks that I'm looking at that are very oversold. First one is ABBV. This is AbbVie. This is a pharmaceutical company. Recently they had pretty bad news due to a cancer drug. If we look at the live news over here, You can see that they got slammed after disappointing results for cancer drug acquired in a $5.5 $5.8 billion deal. So they got that big drop over here, and it's testing that 200 SMA support. I think it's a great buy at this oversold region. Something like this happened in about February, mid-February here as well. So, and it recovered fast. So if you look at the long term, it's a great ad. My second pick is going to be Facebook. They had that really bad news due to the data being released, to the government, and that our data is not safe. So they had that huge drop. So is it a great buy here? I think so, because it's way below that 200 SMA support, and it's back to about last May area, 2017 May area. So looking at that 150, it touched that 150 and came back up. So when it starts going back up above 160, I think that's a great buy area. But if you are catching this on the low, then it's a great entry position here as well. The next one's going to be Tesla. They had the Model 3 news come out, and if you look at the live news over here, they did have some more reservations for the electric semi-trucks for the FedEx, and a lot of people are buying those. Same with Walmart. And the Model 3, it's still in testing, and not everybody got it, so we'll have to see how that plays out. But I think it's a great buy here. Usually when it goes below 300, it gets bought up really quick. Let's look at the max chart on this, and you can see it's coming back down to that 296 area. So I'd call this a buy at around 290 if it gets there, but anywhere below is a great ad for long term. So those are my 3 picks that I'm going to be watching for my long-term portfolio. SPY, that's S&P 500, looks great if you're buying this as well. It's great for a long-term portfolio, and I do see the bounce coming up soon. We'll see some up and down this week, but depending on how it closes today, I think we should be seeing a bounce back to that 270 plus area. And I call out all my alerts in the chat room. It's completely free to join. You can see I called out options alerts today, and also some swing trade alerts today, so I'll post my entry, exit, stop loss, and a quick analysis on it. And you can join the chat room by clicking this button on the YouTube page or the link in the description. And I'll be having the website coming up soon, so you can also join from there. We also have our social media right here and the Robinhood referral link. And make sure to click that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. Have a great week of trading.